Good afternoon, student. Standard 9th English Medium, subject English. The lesson 1.2 from unit number 1 is a synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. Here we are going to see warming up session. So from the warming up session, from your page number 5, see the question number 1. Do you know any stories about people who were lost in uninhabited places and were later rescued? Means, have you learned the story? Have you read the stories about the people who were lost in uninhabited places and after that they were rescued after long time? So yes, the answer is yes. In the year of 1971, the Robertson family boarded their yacht Lucette at Falmouth Harbor. They boarded on this one, Cornwall, to sail around the world. 18 months into the trip, they were 200 miles from the Galapagos Islands when catastrophe struck. Their boat was hit by a pod of killer whales and destroyed within minutes. Their boat was hit by a pod of killer whales and destroyed within minutes. The family scrambled aboard a leaky raft, and when that finally deflated 17 days later, they made for their dinghy, the Ednamere. There was only enough water for 10 days. Only 10 days they will drink the water. That type of water is there. It will just for them for 10 days. And the only food on board consisted of a bag of onions, a tin of biscuits, 10 oranges, 6 lemons, and half a pound of glucose sweets. When that ran out, the family drank turtle blood to survive because there is no water to drink them. There is no food to eat them. Only 10 days water and 10 days means food is there. But after that, the family survive on the blood of turtle, that is tortoise. The matriarch of the family, Lynn Robinson, was a nurse and devised a technique to keep them hydrated with rainwater collected in the boat. Whatever the water collected in the boat, on July 23rd in the year of 1972, the family was finally picked up and spotted their distress flare. So in this way, we have learned this, or we have read this story about the that is uninhabited places, okay, and the people who rescued from this difficult situation. So you have to write this story in your notebook as a homework of question number 1. In the next lecture, we will see question number 2. Thank you. Good afternoon, student. Standard 9th English Medium, subject English, and the lesson 1.2, a synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. Here we are going to see that is warming up session. In the warming up session, we have seen question number 1 in the previous lecture. Now we are going to see question number 2. That is, think of one of your favorite interesting stories and fill in or draw an outline chart like the one shown below. Just here is a question. The title of the story you have to write. After that, just see from the bottom, change, problem or challenge. You have to write there. After that, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Then title of the story is there. Climax of the story. The problem resolved, normally, restored, end. So these things will be there. Write as many scenes as there are in the story. So answers we have written here. The Real Castaways. The name of the story is The Real Castaways. Change, problem or challenge. Just see, the famous explorer Ernest Shackleton and his crew of 28 men left England aboard the ship Endurance on August 8, 1914. So the first scene, during his expedition, the ship got trapped in ice. Shackleton and his men found themselves marooned in the Antarctica for 5 months. Okay, scene 2. They lived on top of floating ice, fed on seals, that is the type of fish, and kept warm by playing hockey and dog shed racing. In April 1916, Shackleton and 5 of his men set off in 3 small lifeboats they had recovered to find help on Elephant Island. So in this way, we have just see here scene 1 and scene 2 we have seen. Now the scene 2, 3 and also the climax of the story, the problem resolved, normally restored, end, we will see in the next lecture. So this is the half answer for this question. So remaining part of the answer we will see in the next part of the lecture. Thank you. Good afternoon, student. The lesson synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. The remaining part of the question, that is 2. The answer we are going to see here. The remaining answer. Just see here the question is given. Think of one of your favorite interesting stories and fill in or draw an outline chart like one shown below. So we have seen in the previous lecture change, problem, challenge. Scene 1, scene 2 we have seen. Now just see scene 3. The 6 men spent 16 days crossing 1300 kilometers of ocean. Okay, the 6 men landed on an uninhabited part on the islands. Okay, means out of 28 people, just 16 means 6 men spent 16 days crossing 1300 kilometers of ocean. The 6 men landed on an uninhabited part on the island. Just see climax. Their last hope was to cross 26 miles of the treacherous mountains and glaciers until they finally reached a whaling station where they found help. Okay, the problem resolved or normalcy restored or end. Just see, Shackleton returned to rescue the men on Elephant. He returned. Why he returned? To rescue the men on Elephant Island. And amazingly, apart from some missing toes from fraught bites, not one member of the 28 men crew was lost. The anticlimax is that anticlimax means a disappointing end to an exciting or impressive series of events. So in this way we have seen here question number 2 completely in 2 parts. So you have to write this answer in your notebook as a warming up session. Okay, we have seen question number 1 and 2. In the next lecture we will see question number 3 from warming up session. Thank you. Good afternoon, student. Standard 9th English medium, subject English. So here last time we have seen the lesson 1.2, a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. We have seen warming up session for this lesson. Okay, now we are going to see here the summary of this lesson. What is the summary? What happened in this lesson? We will see a story in the form of summary. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when it was caught in a great storm. Means a great storm was there when they were traveling. Means who were traveling? William, Elizabeth, that is the couple, and their children. They have 4 children. They had 4 children. So these 4 children and both of them, that is William and Elizabeth, had been traveling in a ship when it was caught in a great storm. The ship's other passengers had evacuated. Others passenger had evacuated means left without them. William and his family, including the young children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, were left to survive alone. In that ship, only 6 characters now are there and others are evacuated means they left without them, means they didn't ask them but they go, that is went out. Then what happened? So the ship survived the night and the family found themselves within the sight of tropical desert island. Okay, they found a tropical desert island. Upon reaching the island, the family set up a makeshift means temporary camp. Okay, means a tent type camp they have settled there. The father knew that they had to prepare for a long time on the islands and make as much provision for the future as for their immediate wants. So the family spends the next few days securing themselves against hunger. Okay, there is no food to eat them, but they are securing themselves against hunger. William and Fritz make several trips to the ship in their efforts to bring ashore everything useful from the vessel. Okay, they are trying to do efforts for what? To bring ashore everything useful from the vessel. The domesticated animals on the ship are towed back to the island. The domesticated animals on the ship are towed back to the islands. Initially, they construct a tree house. Initially, they construct a tree house means on the tree. They have made their house, but as time passes, they settle in a more permanent dwelling in the form of a cave because they have changed their house. Okay, at first they made their house just like a tent, means camp is there. After that, they changed. Initially, they construct a tree house, but later the time passes, but they settle in a more permanent dwelling. Okay, in the form of cave, means according to the season, according to their situation, they were changing their house. So what happened in that story, that they survived from the storm, from the great storm. Others were just jump out from that ship, but they were just settled on islands. Okay, and they live their life there for a few days, and after that they became successful to save their lives. So this is the story of the that is Williams and Elizabeth and their 4 children. In this lesson we have seen this one. Next time I will give some meanings and question answer of this lesson. Now you have to write this summary in your notebook. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, student. Here the lesson number 2, that is from unit number 1, 1.2, a synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. In the previous lecture we have seen summary of this lesson, and before that lecture also we have seen, that is warming up session for this lesson. Now this is the third lecture of this lesson. So a synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. So in this lecture we will see that what the glossary, the meaningful, that is meaning words, meanings or difficult words. See the word that is expose. Expose means what? Unprotected. Extend, you know extend word. Extend means elongate or lengthen. Platform means, here the meaning is that is flat, a flat or long raised structure. Define means, here not a definition or not a elaboration, that is define means known. Knotted means tied. To knot, you know, to knot means tie, that is tied in past verb. Intervals means gap between two times or between two particular time. Ladder, instruments used to climb. You know that if we want to go upward, so that time ladder is used as an instrument to climb. Now driftwood means a wood that has been washed into the shore by the action of the sea waves and winds. Okay, then sledge runner. Here the word in this lesson you will find sledge runner means what? A land vehicle with a smooth underside used to transport things easily. Means from one place to another place we can carry the material by using this sledge runner. Now tending means what? Looking after. Tending means looking after. Woods means, here not that is woods, but woods means forest. Exploring means finding out, means searching out. Okay. Exotic means what? Very different or unusual, means different. Okay, then 14 number, exuding, to flow out slowly in drops or emitting. Sap means, SAP sap means the fluid that comes out from the stem of a plant. Then claimed, you know claim word, claim means announced or declared. Here runners means stripes on which something slides. Abutting means having a common boundary. And oppressive, what is meant by oppressive? Oppressive means distressing. So in this way the difficult words I have taken here for your better understanding. And before that I have given you summary. So read this summary, read the lesson, and the words you have to underline in your textbook and write the meanings in your textbook or in your notebook. Okay, so if you are writing your textbook the meanings, so write with the pencil. If you are writing in notebook, so write this with pen. In this way we have seen here, that is warming up session, the summary and the meanings. Now in the next lecture we will see the workshop for this lesson. Thank you.